I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, as you can see, we have something a little bit different going on. We have a bit of a, let's say, more, I don't know, personal setup. You can see me, you can see me, obviously. Like, yes. So I just thought I would try something a little bit different, and I have been sent a set of gel polishes from Madam Glam and a couple other things as well. We've got their top coat and also the poly gel, so I'm so excited to try that. It honestly looks really bomb. I have seen it in use, so I've wanted to try that out, and I have no idea if this is going to be in focus or not, so hopefully it is. I didn't bring my little hair thing, so hopefully it works, you know. So I have received a few colours. We have got some nice bright colours. I chose to have a yellow and an orange. This one's called Mimosa and Screaming Summer, so they are absolutely bomb. Obviously nice bright summer colours. So yeah, we have the Mimosa here, and today we are going to be swatching these gel polishes, so that's exciting. Also, don't mind my nails, they are an absolute mess as always. Excuse me, and I still have that little bit of a cough as well. So yeah, we are going to go ahead and swatch all of these, but I'm just going to show you guys them up close and personal, let you see the bottles and the names to each colour, and then we'll get into swatching. So first off, we have Screaming Summer, which is this really bright orange, neon orange colour, and it looks just like this. So here is the name on the bottom of the bottle, and I really like that now Madam Glam, they do have the colour on the front of the label. It really helps. They've always had this on the top, so that's really good as well. So you can kind of like really easily choose your gel polish. So here is what Screaming Summer looks like. Kind of looks like a neon jelly polish. So next, the polish we have is called Mimosa. Mimosa, and it's a beautiful sort of like true yellow, like a cream yellow. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys the bottle to this one, because y'all, I'm letting you look at all of them, so I might as well. Oh, look how gorgeous that is. So it's a proper true yellow. I already had a neon yellow gel polish, and I really wanted just a proper yellow. So if you are also searching for that, then Mimosa is the one for you. So y'all's Mimosa. So the next colour that I'm going to show you guys, this is a, oh, it tells you on front, oh my god, they are upping their game. So on the front it tells you what kind of gel polish it is. Oh god, I'm lying. It just says soak off, but this one, it says Firefly. So that's interesting. I have no idea what that means. I'm guessing it means that it's got glitter. So this one's called King's Choice, and it's sort of like a galaxy black. How gorgeous does that look? Hopefully it's picking up on camera, and hopefully you guys can see that. So yeah, super pretty. The next one we have is Twilight Lilac. Now I chose two lilac colours in this one, so we have Hey Honey, we have that as well. So yeah, they're kind of similar, but they do have their differences as well, as you can clearly see. So we have Hey Honey and Twilight Lilac. So I think I much prefer this grey lilac colour. It seems to be kind of the in thing, and it definitely, you know, seems like an Insta baddie kind of colour. So yes, let's have a look at these. Let's check these beauties out. And if, like, I'm turning to the side, obviously my desk is in front of me, the camera's to the side. That's what the deal is with that. So here is, oh god, Twilight Lilac. Gorgeous. And we also have Hey Honey. So they really are super pretty. Let's try them next to each other and you guys can really see the difference. Beautiful. Alrighty, so let's move on to the next, and we just literally have a good old base coat, which my little thing has popped off, but not a problem. Snap it back in there. And a good old No White Soak Off Gel, which I love both of these, so that's also an essential. So let's go ahead and just have a good look at the polygel. So this is a true hybrid between hard gel and acrylic. So we're going to obviously go ahead and really test this out. Now I did only get this. I didn't get any brush or anything like that. I was literally just sent the bottle of polygel. So hopefully I've got some supplies that I can kind of work with it and see how it works out. So it comes with a foil sealed lid, and I am sort of like kind of hoping that this video turns out okay, because it's my first double filmage, like 2 cameras in one, baby. So you have to bear with me, okay? So I'm just removing the foil seal now, and let's squeeze some goodness out of here. Let's see the colour. Like, I want to say, oh yes, oh so beautiful. Absolutely freaking stunning. That is actually a really pretty colour, so I will just go ahead and pop it onto my nail, kind of get the consistency, you know, it's like bubble gum. Well, it's not really, it's kind of like a thick icing. It really does look like a nice nude neutral colour, so I can't wait to test that out and share it with you guys. I definitely do think that I have some supplies that I can kind of work with this. I don't have a full system of the polygel, but I am sure we will be able to figure it out. Now that I've showed you guys the bottles, gone through the names, I'm going to go ahead and switch to the overhead camera and just do the swatches for the gel polishes. I'll have the names listed on the screen for you guys if you're interested, and I'll also link the website in the description down below, as well as a 30% off coupon code. Now Madam Glam do always pretty much have a sale on, so it's either 30 or 40% or buy one get one free, whatever. But I just want to let you guys know that if you do use the link down below, I don't think it's necessarily using the code, but if you use the link down below, I do get a small amount of commission from your usage from that link, which isn't always a bad thing. It means that I can buy fancy equipment to continue doing my channel and making videos for you guys, because this stuff ain't cheap. Like, it's not easy, it's not free, it's not cheap. Somebody gotta pay for it, and so far it's all been me. So I think it's about time that I started making some money. Alright? So don't hate the player, hate the game, as some people would say. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead using the couch roll just to wipe off that little bit of polygel that we applied there, because y'all know, gotta keep these nails looking fancy. Although these nails are due to come off, they are in an absolute state. I did film the vid for these when they were all looking bomb, so look out for that. I also just forgot to mention really quickly that I am going to be using the nail pop ring, and you get 50 pieces. They are available from Glitter Planet, so don't forget to check that out and use my discount code, which is NINJA10, which will give you 10% off your entire order, which obviously is bomb. This colour is Screaming Summer, and it's the bright orange. So yeah, as I thought, it is definitely a, or could be used as a jelly polish, especially if it's kind of like mixed in some of that clear, either base coat or top coat. It would just dilute that colour and pigmentation, so you'd have a proper glass nail effect. And I am just going to be doing one coat for these polishes, because y'all, you can see the colour off one coat. Like, it don't take a genius to know that it's gonna go more opaque. You know what I'm saying? So the next colour that I'm going to be swatching for you guys is the Twilight Lilac. So let's get straight into that. Now hopefully, because this video obviously I am talking you guys through, it is slightly on the longer side, but hopefully you do enjoy this experience. Okay, so that is this beautiful colour, and I will show you guys all of the colours at the end, so don't worry about that either. So next I'm going to come in with King's Choice, and that is from the Firefly Collection. It's that really gorgeous like black galaxy glittery effect one. So we'll go straight in and swatch that one now. And I'm going to be curing all of these polishes for 30 seconds. Some of them will be 60 seconds because I ain't leaving, because I ain't taking them out of the light every single time, so they kind of get a second zap in the light with their friend, you know? How gorgeous is that? Like, seriously? Was any of that even in focus? I'm so freaking sorry if it wasn't. And don't mind that my nails are slightly lifting. I think I'm going to let them lift a bit more actually. No, I'm definitely not. I was going to say I'll do a video on lifting, but I ain't doing it. Sorry. And the final one we are going to be swatching today is Mimosa, which is beautiful yellow. So again, just one coat, and then I will go ahead and seal all of these polishes as well using the no wipe top coat from Madam Glam, and then I'll show you guys all of the final looks. Oh, because this has been a beautiful video, a beautiful experience. How freaking gorgeous is that? Like, yes, honey. Okay guys, so we have gone ahead and finished those super fast swatches. Like, geez, I do not think I have swatched like that in my life. Oh god, my mom's calling. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back after that call. So yes, let's go through the rundown. So we have Mimosa, which is a beautiful yellow, absolutely stunning. Then we have Screaming Summer. So this one's kind of like meant to be orange, since like, yo. However, it does come out more of a diluted orange. So I would probably recommend 3 coats or just not getting it. Just saying. Because I'd kind of be disappointed at that. I suppose, if you put it over a white, it would probably really pop. But I would probably expect to have this really bright orange colour. So yeah, probably 3 coats would do this polish a lot more justice. But at the minute, it really is just looking exactly, I don't know if it is on camera to you guys, but it's looking exactly like the yellow polish. So moving on to the lilacs. So basically guys, as you can see, I've got 2 yellows and 2 lilacs. How fancy am I? Anyway. So we have Twilight Lilac and also Hey Honey. And then we have got the King's Choice, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. Don't mind this, this is just some glitter sticking out of my nail because I didn't file them properly. But yeah, how gorgeous is that? Like, perfect for like Halloween, if you've got a black soul, if you've got a black heart, if you just like black. Generally. So guys, that concludes this video. The poly gel I'm going to leave for a separate video, but I really hope that you've enjoyed this vid, watching me swatch these beautiful gel colours. Again, all the links will be down below if you guys want to check them out. I hope you liked the setup, and I hope you did. I've enjoyed it. I have still got a neck ache, like right there. Do a few stretches. I'm going to have to probably figure it out so that it's a little bit better. But yeah, I've really enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, comment down below which colour was your favourite. And guys, always remember that you are bomb.com, the lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye! See you later, alligator.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.